iPad, iPad case and AirPods. This will help so many students. It really helped me personally, so I'm very grateful for that.
To help you get the most out of university, Middlesex is providing student starter kits for eligible new students worth up to £1,000. Your pack will include tech such as an iPad or laptop, food vouchers to use on campus, as well as a bursary payment to support you with your studies.
So as soon as I heard the packs were available, I thought, yes, that's the one for me. Community starter pack, it can really benefit me coming into uni, coming out of uni, so that stress is at least off my plate.
We want uni study to be an affordable option for everyone, even though we understand if you're worried about the rising cost of living. You can sign up for this support with the simple form in the video description or on the webpage below. If you choose to study at Middlesex and we award you a pack, you'll begin receiving this support shortly after enrolling.
So I think it's an amazing opportunity.